I love you all from the bottom of my heart. All the ladies out there, Nicole Briscoe, you inspire me and inspiration to me as a parent. I find strength in your story and inspiration in your story. Yes, indeed, Mamacitas, Aunt Michelle, good freaking morning. Loving you is, if loving you is wrong, I don't want to be right. Barbara, how you doing? Yeah, for sure. Good motherfucking morning. I love you all. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Because we dance, we'll have some fun. Enjoy that rain in London, England. Because yes, I love the sound of the rain. I do love the rain. And I love you all from the bottom of my heart. So I wanted to say cheers. Thank you all for everything you do. You inspire me. I wanted to say check out that badass song, Dead Inside, by Daydreaming, and the Cactus Cross is a badass kid with the guitars and alright. Get you ripping. So yes, I thank you all. Barbara, Aunt Michelle, happy Wednesday, happy days. Celebrate what you love. Be elite. Throw your bullshit away, throw your problems away. We'll help you rise up, we'll help you inspire, and we'll help you because Sons of Liberty, True Original Family Community, that's what we're about. Love, care, support for each other, and dance. If you're fine, you know I love your poetry. Bad guys, thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You guys inspire me, and you have inspired me to rise up, let out my heart and soul, be unique, be different, stand out, have fun, and know to shine a spotlight on the ladies worldwide. Deborah, how you doing, Thunder Ray? Baby, we can dance, we can have fun, and there's no dispute. The fun is just done. You're the best TV show going today. And I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Because it wouldn't be possible without all of you. So I appreciate you all. Have fun. Have a beautiful day. Take care of each other. Be there for each other. And always help each other. Thank you all. Good morning. Enjoy your coffee. Enjoy what you do. Be unique. Be different. Always know to dance and have fun. I love you all from the bottom of my heart. Take care.